Hello YouTube and welcome back to UK Highland Photography. I'm Strober and today we're going to be talking about the legal side of being an urban explorer. Now, when it comes to urban exploration, it is very important that you understand the risks involved of being an urban explorer. So I'm going to give you one or two examples of what it is that I mean. So here in the United Kingdom, we have like two laws. We have a civil law and we have a criminal law. In the civil law system, anybody can take anyone to court. However, in the criminal law system, it is then up to the police or the government to take that someone to court. So as you can see, in civil law, anybody can take anyone to court, but in criminal law, it is the police or the government that takes someone to court. So now you understand that, let's move on. Have a look at this photograph. As you can see, we're outside this building, and the story of this building is that nobody has worked in that building for over 40 years. Right? You understand that? Nobody's worked in there for over 40 years. So it'd be great to go in there and have a look and see what it was like 40 years ago when people just walked out. So let's say you walk down this field and you walk through an open door. Right guys, pause the video. You've just walked through an open door into this building. Right, what you're doing now, you're committing a thing called trespass. Trespass is a civil offence. So that means in order for you to be punished for trespassing, it would be up to the owner of the land or the owner of this property to take you to court in order to punish you. Because trespassing is not a criminal offence, therefore it is up to the owner to take you to court through the civil law system. So you understand that you've gained entry to the building simply by walking through an open door. You've not done anything. So let's have a look at it from a different version. Let's say you walked down this field and you wanted to explore the building, but everywhere was shut. So you've got two options. You break in through a door or you break in through a window. If you decide to do any of these, guess what guys? You are now going to be in handcuffs. The reason being is because you have just committed a criminal offence. You're starting to see the big picture guys of being an urban explorer, and you're starting to see the risks involved with it. That's correct. You are probably doing a break. Either if the police catch you doing stuff like that, then it's going to be what? Break-in entry, or it could be classed as burglary, or it could be classed as, your burglary or break-in entry, or criminal damage. So entirely, whatever it is the police want to throw at you for your stupidity of breaking the door or window in order to try and get into a building, just to do urban exploration. So there's one example of civil v. the criminal. So anyway, let's just say you walked through an open door. You walked through an open door as a trespasser. So now you're inside the building. Just let me bring up the next photo, guys. So now you're inside the building and it looks like this. Looks pretty interesting. You're having a look around and yeah, you see stuff scattered all over the place. And you see filing cabinets opened and you're thinking to myself, wow, what's going on here? Is this what it was like 40 years ago? And you see broken glass and you basically see all sorts. Now, this is the thing. You're in the building and you think to yourself, I wonder what's in that office. So you go into the office and you sit down in the office. Again, you're only doing trespass. Trespass being a civil offence. Now, let's say you sat in the office like this gentleman, and then you think to yourself, hang on, I'm going to take a souvenir of my adventure today. So let's say you pick up a stapler and you put the stapler in your bag, and let's say the stapler's got the name of the company stamped onto it, right? And let's say you walk out of the building and then you're confronted by the police, and then the police search you and the police find a stapler with the company's name of the building it was that you were exploring. Guess what? Yep, you've got it. You're going to end up in handcuffs. Why? Because you are stealing. You, as an urban explorer, if you take a souvenir with you, you are stealing. You understand, guys? You understand how it works yet? That is why urban explorers have this saying, take photographs and leave only footprints. You understand, guys? Because as long as you remain as a trespasser, then it is very unlikely that anybody is going to be in trouble. As long as you remain as a trespasser, nobody is going to get in trouble. But once you cross the line and you commit a criminal offence when you're doing urban exploration, then it's going to be a serious matter. So there is the legal side, basically, with regards to being an urban explorer. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, and when you get the time, check out the online shop over at www.ukhighland.com.